English grammar test. You get 30 out of 30. Trust me, you are a grammar expert. Let's start with easy level. What is the synonym of fast? Answer B, quick. What is the plural of leaf? Answer B, leaves. What is the future tense of learn? Answer C, will learn. Cat is dash the table. Answer B, on. What is the opposite of dark? Answer B, light. What is the synonym of small? Answer B, tiny. What is the plural of child? Answer C, children. What is the past tense of right? Answer C, wrote. The dog jumped dash the fence. Answer A, over. What is the opposite of happy? Answer C, sad. Medium level. What is the synonym of difficult? Answer B, hard. What is the plural of tooth? Answer C, teeth. What is the present tense of eat? Answer A, eats. She dashed to the market. Answer A, goes. What is the opposite of early? Answer A, late. What is the synonym of happy? Answer B, joyful. What is the plural of foot? Answer A, feet. What is the future tense of speak? Answer C, will speak. The cat dash sleeping. Answer A, is. What is the opposite of cold? Answer B, hot. Hard level. What is the synonym of intelligent? Answer C, smart. What is the plural of mouse? Answer B, mice. What is the past tense of go? Answer B, went. The car is parked dash the garage. Answer A, in. What is the opposite of strong? Answer A, weak. What is the synonym of strong? Answer A, powerful. What is the plural of fish? Answer B, fish. What is the present tense of sing? Answer B, sings. They dash playing football. Answer B, are. Before your last question, make sure to comment your score and share with your friends. What is the opposite of rich? Answer A, poor.